Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the text size of product description in Shopify Dawn Theme. So what you'll need to do is basically go to your theme and edit that. So just go to your online store, then click on the themes, edit theme, and you'll see something like this. So make sure to go to your catalog, then to your product, and after that you'll see a description. And what you'll need to do is right here, click on product information, scroll down until you see custom CSS, click on that one on this drop down menu, and what you'll need to write is dot product, product double underscore description dot RTE, and then open curling brackets, then put your cursor inside, click enter, then type font dash size and let's say 20 pixels, and then just hit save, and as you can see it looks bigger right now. If we make, let's say, 40, it will be even bigger. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Have a nice day and see you in the next one.